Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see regarding vehicle loan. Normally, if you see vehicle loan, everybody will be thinking that residential, that housing purpose that we use. So here I have divided into two types. One is commercial vehicle loan for business purpose and income generation. Another is for family purpose. So this video will be very useful to you. Please kindly watch it, and if you like it, at the end you subscribe it and forward to your friends. Normally I am your well-wisher, and I want to wish you is that you also must be a millionaire, billionaire. So it is easy, because a lot of people will think why now how I can. So small effort, if you put small business you start, and you step by step if you go, surely you can win the race. So with this I am starting this class. Vehicle loan, this is divided into two types. Normally vehicle loan, commercial vehicle loan, and another is residential vehicle loan. So I have given here 7 points, main points, and another nutshells I have given 14 points. So just to remember this and make ready of these things, keep in mind, surely you will get a commercial vehicle loan if you wish. If you want a residential for family purpose also, I have given here. So up to your wish that you can go. Okay, here if you see purpose, the commercial vehicle loan for business or income generation. Normally for a residential vehicle loan that we take, that is house or this our own purpose. Normally if you see the rate of interest for business income and this commercial vehicle loan and residential loan will be vary. Normally this is 9.9 to 10. This commercial vehicle loan will be there, and residential vehicle loan will be there up to 8. Means 8 to 9. This is will be the all the banks. Some banks are giving 7.95, 7.9 also. So normally if you take 7.9 to 8.9, this category will be there. And commercial vehicle loan from us, it is a business purpose, more than 1%. So 9 to 10%, this interest rate of interest will be there. For month, year of repayment, 7 years or 5 years, the same. That is our choice only. According to our income generation, we can tell, sir, within 5 years I can pay it, other within 7 years I can pay it. Next is type of vehicle. Which type of vehicle we are going to this? Whether we are going to buy auto or share autos like minivans, Dost or Tata van for passenger shifting or material shifting. So we must always keep in mind whether we are going to shift the material. According to that we have to buy the machinery. Other we are going to shift the passengers like Mahindra van, Tata van, and all these few types. They are shifting from share autos from one place to one place. For shift they from one place to one place, they will be asking 15 rupees or 20 rupees or 10 rupees. For materials from one place to another place, like banana shifting, coconut shifting, material shiftings, and like many companies for cold drinks and other items, biscuits shifting from one dealer to retail shops. They are having autos, they are having a regular work supply. So according to that, your requirements and amount, you can buy these vehicles. Afterwards we will deeply discuss if you buy auto, what is the cost, what is your margin, how you can go further, what is for van, for ambulance, for bus, lorry, JCP, like that we will go in separate videos how we can choose. According to that, according to our capacity, according to our loan value, we can choose this type. So normally if I am choosing auto, so auto will be normally if you see 3 to 3.5 with the permit, it will be there. So it will fit under Mudra scheme. If I want to 407, so it will be 7 to 10 lakhs. So it will be fit into PMEGP. So according to that, we have to choose the category. Next, if you see for residential, bike or any car, like for family purpose, 4-seater, 5-seater, 7-seaters are there. So according to that we can buy this residential purpose, our own purpose cars. Next, if you see subsidy loan, so there are subsidy loans which are given for commercial vehicle only. As non-residential there is no thing. So if you go subsidy, which category if you want to go? So Mudra loan up to 10 lakhs we can give, PMEGP 10 to 25, UEGP 7 to 10 lakhs, needs 5 to 100, Stand Up India 10 to 100, THODCO up to 7. So service and manufacturing, there are two categories. Whether if you are going to buy the vehicles, according to that, that is a service category. If you are going to change spare parts, fittings, and all, it will go to another category. So it will come under so both service and manufacturing. According to that, this category will vary, amount will vary. But my best wishes is that if you choose a vehicle, according to that, fit it into Mudra, PMEGP, UEGP needs. This will give subsidy loan. Another thing is that if you buy e-wagon, one is CNG, natural gas fitted machine equipments car. Other next electrical cars. Their government is giving 5 to 10% extra subsidy. So if you buy your car for tourist car, if you are buying a tourist car, Maruti Dzire, the rate will be nearly 8.8 to 10, 8 to 9.5 or 10. So for that 25% that bank subsidy will be coming. So remaining amount you have to give. So here I have given, if you are going to buy 10 lakhs, bank loan will give 7.5. You have to bring your margin 2.5. In this 2.5, 2 lakhs will be subsidy, nearly you will be getting. Another 50,000 only you have to bear your margin. Why the margin is there? Because customer must understand that I have also put the money into this so that we can develop the business. For that the margin is there. For retail, normally if you buy 10 lakhs, 8.5 bank will give, 1.5 and 1.5 that customer has to bring. This is the thing. So extra e-wagon 5 to 10% of discount that government is giving to develop electrical car, natural gas. So you kindly make sure in which category you want to buy it. Next, what are the documents? If you are doing if you want commercial vehicle, you must have a MSME registration, Udyam registrations. It is free, you can download it. GST registration within if you don't know, if you go to auditor, 500 to 1000 rupees they will charge, and you will make it. Maximum you try for free GST registration. Because if you are having a PAN number, Aadhaar number, details, everything scanned, you can do it in your mobile itself. So MSME registration, PAN, Aadhaar must be. For new machinery you are going to buy, that new quotation must be there with the GST. And if it is old, the engineer, it must be 3 years in the category. If you are going to buy old machinery, equipments, car, van, anything, must be not more than 3 years that purchase of machinery. And engineer valuation, that our mechanical engineer value that this machine is this much cost. So it will be valued for remaining purpose. It will be there like that. If you will be giving certificate, project report, and CMA provision and projected. This is the balance sheet that if you are going to start a new business, you have to make it. Already you are running some business and you are going to start commercial business under car. So you have to submit ITR for 3 years, audited balance sheet, provisional and projected reports. These are the documents you got to submit it. And if you see this driving license, residential driving license, you have to give PAN number, Aadhaar number. Here also driving license must be there. Quotations for new, you have to submit quotation. Old, not more than 3 years, and mechanical engineer has to give that report. 3 years IT you must give, audited, and form 16. If salary, this is for salary holders, this is for business. So for salary holders, for form 16 you have to submit, and 6 months salary slip and statement you have to submit it. So next, if you see which bank to apply, this is better which bank you are having account, that bank if you go and make it, if you open account, it will be best. And your service area, which area, because in your ration card there will be service area number will be there. According to that bank, lead bank has categorized, because there will be lot of banks. SBI will be there, IOB will be there, Punjab National will be there, Indian Bank will be there, Federal Bank, ICICI, HDFC, lot of banks will be there. So in that, in which area your bank belongs to, according to that you can submit the service area, must see it. And after that, salary accrediting bank, in residential salary, in which salary, monthly salary is going to that bank, if you approach, surely within 1 or 2 days you can get this car loan. Then is when to apply, when we can apply, at any time we can apply. But if you want processing charges free, other charges free, civil charges free, at that loan mela or festival season will be the best option for both, because in a year there are 4 quarters in that. So there will be like Deepavali, Christmas, New Year, Pongal, Ramjan, Bakrid. So lot of festivals will be there, and that bank will give loan mela. So in order to attract customers. Next is that every quarter end, like March end, then on the June end. So like that every quarter end they will have a mela, so that people will come, and because every quarter they will file a balance sheet. So according to that, to boost up that, to increase the sales, they will do with the loan mela or festival. So no need to afraid, at any time you can go. So according to this month end, like that you can choose, according to that you will be getting. So margin, normally that 25% customer has to bring the margin, and 75% bank will be giving. In that 25%, 20% nearly subsidy will be there, 20 to 25. Then next, if you see loan mill, and here 15% of customer and 85% of bank will be giving. This is mainly for salary holders only. This is for business purpose only. So now I have decided that I am going to start a business. Then I have to make these 15 items be ready. So like I must be more than 18 years, and business I am going to do for buying for family or business. According to that, maximum the duration for sanction of this loan will be 1 week to 2 weeks maximum will be there. No collateral security is required, because the machinery, the equipment, car you are buying is the hypothecation, and insurance will be taken. These two are the main things. So this is like other loans, if you go for other loan, term loan and OCC, working capital, so collateral security they may ask. For this there is no collateral security. Under this scheme you can go for the, surely within 1 or 2 weeks you can get this loan. So normally for this commercial, yellow board must be there, permit you have to get it. For this white board there is no permit. So already if you buy a road tax, other in details under, they will make it, and insurance also the company will put. If you go for government scheme or normal scheme, you have to decide it. You start with one, so that you are the owner and you can make it into multiple. So lot of people started with one only. You start with one, surely you can multiply it with many. Easy and simple process. You don't need to come, because there is no collateral security. So you will go to a quotation. If you want to decide, you decided to start a business, you go and get the quotation, and make sure that you be prepared, because you must not oscillate your mind that this car will be better or that car will be better, or I will buy this van. So you decide it and you go do it. All bank has its own product. Every bank, PNP, SBI, IOB, they have E-Wagon, Ind-Wagon, like that. Lot of name is there. And then rate of interest normally, if this is for 8 to 7.9 to 8.9 for residential, for commercial 8.8 to 9.5. Be prepared and arrange all these documents. These are the simple documents, 6 documents. You can make it ready, and you be prepared. Hypothecation insurance will be done. That's the only thing, and also it cost very less. Approach your bank, your account holding bank. It will be better. The responses will be there. Avail the loan at Mela, or loan mela or festival season, so that our processing charges will be very less, and the margin you must remember that 25% always keep in mind. So these are the few things that you have to make it ready, and you make it ready, surely you are also one of the businessmen. You don't think that only one car, whether it's a businessman. Yeah, many businessmen started with one. You make sure this, and you also succeeded. I am your well wisher always. You keep in mind and you do further, and anything you put in the comment box. Thanks a lot.